Okay, good.
I am doing it.
Okay, now I just do it.
Okay, reaction video to Beep Beep by BtoB. Go.
Here it is.
Fail, girl. Icon.
Action. Action. In the place to be. Action.
Why are they driving away with it? Away from it.
Oh, hey!
Oh, you're
Oh, you win!
Oh.
Hey!
Oh, you're good too.
My second boo.
It looks really good here. Like his hair too. I like it.
He can pull off the curly thing.
Yeah. Oh, wait, what?
No, it's long, man.
Yeah, he looks
Oh,
good.
here
Oh,
too.
wow.
What's with the?
Oh, no. Okay. We'll handle this later.
Whoa! At least Penny gets more cards.
Why is he in a car shop or something?
Well, Beep Beep one.
It's a car. Sorry. Oh, they were just like fighting and then they like. Oh, these girls.
Oh, these ladies go.
Who had the right? Who had the right?
Excuse me. Oh, damn, in suits.
Damn, you play that piano.
Looks amazing. Oh my god.
Oh, look at me.
Oh, I'm not ready.
I'm sweating.
Calling hard.
Sorry. Oh, now they're having a party.
Party. Oh,
Why
these
are
girls.
these girls though?
Excuse me.
Whoa.
Whoa.
They're
Whoa.
grinding on each other.
Excuse me.
Oh, I like these cars. Oh, okay. There. Oh. Okay.
You know that's so face. These girls though.
I like that.
The domino effect, y'all.
Oh, the shooting stars.
Whoa, that was falsetto.
Oh, he did the, what is that called? The Bernie? Is that it? Is that it? I don't know. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
get it.
Got me falling.
Oh, that sucks for you guys.
Why are they hurting my baby?
Oh.
He didn't park the car there.
Oh, sorry.
He didn't park it there.
So we need to discuss this whole bias thing going on, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay, my husband.
Kenya.
I'm sorry.
Kenya and Hunshik.
Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on.
Okay, what?
Wait, hold on.
Wait, we need to know something. We have to talk about the video first.
Okay.
How do you guys feel about the video?
Oh, girls are so unnecessary.
Yes.
I know girls would.
Agreed.
First
Agreed.
time and falling hard, that's all. That's all.
So
Who's your?
I don't know, the one that looks like Neo.
That's me. I don't like Neil from Teen Top.
I just thought, like, oh, you look like Neo, I love you.
Carl.
Was that Sunday?
is it?
Ooh.
Wait, let's.
Only halfway through.
Okay, go.
I'm like, oh, I got you. Oh, that girl, that guy.
Ouch! That's so
Okay. Okay.
You reminded me of like okay, bye.
Why is he picking his ear? Hold up.
What?
Why is he picking his ear?
Was he?
Is that supposed to be cool? Is that supposed to
Who
be
was
cool?
picking his ear?
Sungjae.
Are you serious?
Oh
Maybe
my
he's like.
Like what? What?
Wait.
He doesn't. He picks his ear.
Oh, maybe there's like water or something in his ear.
What the Q-tip? The Q-tip. What's going on here, guys?
Maybe. Okay, overall, I like the video, but not the girls.
Yeah.
And wait, that random scene when they're playing the piano and wearing suits, like,
Oh,
that's
scene,
kind of
yeah.
random.
Are they
random.
supposed to be romantic? But what does that have to do with the cars?
Yeah.
But the mini cars are really cute.
Yes.
Those are really cute.
Those were cute.
I like that.
But other than that,
yeah,
that's all I can say.
that was our reaction.
I got falling hard man.
Okay.
Neil lookalike. Neil lookalike.